Hey you guys, today is 23rd, it's Monday, it is the next day after the curfew. That was officially like a practice for India and things are on lockdown, like cities are on lockdown. That means there's a lot of time that we'll be spending at home. And I decided to get back to this big project of mine that I wasn't able to do earlier because of time. So, I'm going to be making a weaving loom, alright? So I just went to the storage and dug up a nice wooden frame that we've had for a while now. Also because our parents are also at home with us, I'm taking my dad's help to do this one. Okay. So this is the wooden frame that I had, like I found in my storage. And I'll be using this, I'll be like repurposing it to build it into a weaving loom. And I would be putting nails over this side. And like we've already started on that side. So I'll show you how you're supposed to mark these and then put the nails on them. And my dad is helping me. Hello.
Hi.
So like this is the area we're supposed to put the nails in. And the first thing you need to do is you need to take an inch tape and you need to measure the half mark of the total length that we're working with. So for me, that is right over here. Okay. And now from here, I'm going to start marking at every 0.5 inches. So something like this. Now that I'm done with marking my first row right over here, I'm supposed to be marking the second row, for which I will be taking 0.5 between these two marks. So like the half between these two. So these are my two new points for the second row. And I'm taking it a little further, which is like I'm taking it 0.5 inch further than the first row. So that's the gap between the two rows. That's 0.5 inches. And also the gap between each point is also 0.5 inches. So these are the two alternate rows where we'll be hammering the nails in. And the reason that we have two rows instead of just one is because that if we put this together 0.25 inches apart, the nails will be too close and it'll be very difficult for you to weave, okay, to set the warp. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it alternatively so that we have enough gap between the nails to work easily. Now I'm going to start hammering in these. This is how the finished loom will look like. My loom is now complete. It's a very big loom and I'm going to be able to make this big a tapestry. So that's how you make a loom at home with a wooden frame. It's pretty easy, it's pretty simple. It's just a little time consuming and it requires a lot of hammering. I was lucky enough to have a wooden frame saved for this project. If you don't have a wooden frame available at home, you can get one made very easily, and or else you can go at a second-hand store and try to look for it. Now I'm not an expert at weaving. This is going to be my first time, so I will not be guiding you as to how to do it because I don't have any experience myself. So I will put links in the description box which I will be using or referring to start weaving. So thank you and I hope you have fun.